Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. So it's Thursday morning and I've just been to the supermarket. We had to queue feet apart, or 2 meters apart, and excuse the light because it's again another very bright day today. Yeah, so 2 meters apart, and there was about 100 people in the queue in front of me, but even so, we still got in within half an hour, and I was only in there, what is it, time is it now, 11:15, 3/4 of an hour, and I've done, and I managed to get both shopping for myself and Ian, but also I managed to get mum and dad shopping as well. So, and I've got everything on mum and dad's list, so they're going to be happy and I'm going to be happy because they're happy. Excellent stuff. Right, now to drop the stuff off back home and then over to mum and dad's to deliver. And of course it's dad's birthday in a couple of days, so I managed to get him something and put it away. A little something for his birthday. I'm recording you, so say hello.
Oh, hello.
Right. It's his birthday tomorrow, isn't it? So it's your birthday tomorrow?
Yes, it's my birthday tomorrow.
Right, so we've brought you your card and your present, which you've not opened yet.
Not well tomorrow.
Well, tomorrow, exactly. So, but Mr. Bentley's come for a visit as well, hasn't he?
He has.
Yeah, I'll show you where he is, look.
That's how bothered it is.
With his head, look at you, with your head on the cushion.
Yeah, he's got
His head on the pillow.
It's Monday, just after lunch, and I can't remember. Hang on. Dvorak. I can't remember when I last recorded a vlog. Ian and I have both been working on a new art project. He's been doing another couple of art journal pages in his own style, obviously, in his own way. So he's been recording, I've been obviously sat with him recording. I've done a couple of art journal pages myself for release later on. So I can't remember when I actually turned the camera around for doing any vlogging. It only seems to be every time that I'm recording seems to be in the car, because it's a perfect opportunity. So like I said, it's Monday, it's 12:30 on the 30th of March. Today's the 30th, and I'm on my way down to the post office. Obviously website orders, that kind of stuff are still going out. Postal service is slow, but it is working. So post offices are still open for essential stuff, so I'm still getting website orders out as quickly as possibly, but obviously trying to minimize going to the post office down to like once a week. So that's what we're having to do, just to kind of minimize obviously the rush on the post office, to help the post office staff, the postman, and also ourselves. So yes, so that's what I'm doing. I've also got a few bits and pieces that I need to pick up from the shop, so we're running low on a few minor items, mainly Mr. Bentley biscuits. So I'm going to have to get him some dried some dried food. I've got plenty of wet food for Mr. Bentley, but he's kind of running a bit low on his dried. So I like to mix in a bit of dried with a bit of wet. So he's got a little bit of variety. So yesterday, Sunday, it was a bit of a weird one. Dad told us that he was kind of running low on firewood, because you know they have an open wood burning stove in their living room, in the lounge, and that he was running low on wood. Now we just happened to have a couple of old pallets, wooden pallets, so we cut them up and took them over to him yesterday, and then we stayed for a couple of hours, obviously tried to minimise getting too close. So yes, that was a strange one yesterday. And then yeah, today's today. Same old. Are you sure you're quite comfortable enough down there?
Well, it's a hard life, isn't it?
Isn't it just? Total hard life.
Got a very pink tummy today. You got a very pink tummy today. You've got a pink tummy. You're a good boy, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that.
He does that on the grass, doesn't he?
I know. Nutter. If you're not wiping your face on the carpet.
Well, I'm out with Bentley this afternoon and it is quiet, very quiet. As you can see behind, the eatery is shut near where we live. It's a bit like a ghost town. I've just been to the supermarket and it's really weird. It feels like a bank holiday Monday when I was 9 and all the shops were shut. But I'll tell you who does like it, nice and quiet. Oh, thank you, Mr. Bentley, having a tinkle. So we're going on our walk round, where we're walking, just walking through the estate, and it's a brilliant view. So I shall show you where we're going. 5, 4, and this is the view this afternoon. See right the way over, past the big windmills, and Bentley, who's this? Oh, sit. And there's Mr. Bentley saying hello to you. So yeah, we're going to have a walk round. So it's quite quiet. So, and it's not raining, which is nice. Well, we'll have to go for our walk at 5 to 2. And we've been out an hour. So it's 5 to 3. However, it's not 5 to 3 according to the clock on the church. The clock on the church says it's 5 to 2. How can that be? I'd completely forgotten we put the clocks forward, so it should be 5 to 3, i.e. nobody's been in the church because of the lockdown, so I haven't lost my mind. Well, not today anyway.
So I've just finished doing another art journal page 12 in my volume of the dolls, which is in this one. I'm not going to show you the page because I want to keep this one on stock. What I'm going to try and do, there's only a few more pages left in the journal. So while we're all locked down and in quarantine, I'm supposed to be staying at home, even though I work from home anyway, I'm still going to take a little bit of time to try and finish the last few pages in this altered journal. So I've just done one and my desk is now a complete and utter mess. I'll show you. You'd think with working from home I'd be able to keep a tidy work area, wouldn't you? No. Total and utter mess. I guess I ought to spend a little bit of time doing some tidying up. So for everybody who comments on the vlogs and passes on messages of goodwill and well-being to mum and dad, they wanted just to say a little quick thank you, because I do pass on everything that people say to them, so they have this little message for you. Go on then.
All right. Hi. Thanks for all the well wishes, and we're both fit and well. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.
It's 10 AM on Wednesday morning and I'm on my way down to the local supermarket. I've waited till 10 o'clock because it's not open to the general public until 10. It's open for essential key workers, NHS staff and OAPs before 10 o'clock, and because I'm not any of those, I wouldn't be able to get in anyway. So I'm going down now, and I'll join the queue just like everybody else and then go into the supermarket. I phoned Dad yesterday and got their shopping list, so I'm going to do their shopping today, and then take it over to them once I've got as much as I possibly can for them, and then back home again. So depending on the queues, I've got no idea how long this shopping trip is going to take. It may take an hour, it may take 2. It's all down to the length of the queue, I'm afraid. So just pulled up into the car park and it doesn't look like the queue's that bad just yet. Not as long as it was the last time I came. Well, that wasn't too bad. In and out, including the queue in less than 40 minutes. So including standing in the queue, going around the supermarket, picking everything up on mum and dad's shopping list, of which I got everything bar one item, 40 minutes. So that's not bad at all. Happy with that. So I don't know whether you can see the little rainbow in mum and dad's window. Now apparently one of the neighbour's children created those little stay safe rainbows and has done one for all the older people on the street and pushed them through the letterbox, just so that she knows, or just so that everybody knows that she's thinking about them. How lovely is that? She's about 7, I think. Oh, that's my phone back on the holder again. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.